I'm heading to LA, but it's so pretty out here. I'm here in a poppy field with the Arkedo Pharaoh 35. This is another one of my minimalistic packs, about 900 grams or under 2 pounds. This pack is made from a relatively thin 500 denier Codra nylon. The zippers are all high quality YKK, but they're all really tiny number 5s. None of them are locking, but if you use a little clip like this, you can easily lock the zipper pulls together. The dimensions are awesome for being such a lightweight bag. It's almost a full size carry-on at 22 by 14 by 8. The exterior components are pretty slim. There's a couple little bungee cord things here on the side and this top access slash pocket. The zipper is kind of small, but the pocket is actually pretty huge. This is it in reverse, and you can fit a ton of stuff in here. As well as this larger back slash pocket that goes down pretty far. You can fit quite a bit in this pocket. However, you gotta be careful with this thing because if you put too much in here, it's gonna press on the back of your bag and put a big lump in it. These side pockets are deep and really stretchy, but they're not super big. Your capacity is kind of limited to how full you have the bag. I don't have this thing super packed out right now, and I can easily fit this 1 liter expandable water bottle in there. It's also great for small accessories like this Joby tripod. There's not a lot in the way of compression, and this really thin material can make the bag a little bit floppy if you don't have it packed out. It's kind of the curse of the minimalistic pack. It's really lightweight fabric, but if it's not packed out all the way, it's gonna be a little bit floppy. Backpack straps are quite wide, but you can see they're pretty thin. They don't have a whole lot in the way of padding, and they kind of have this squishy fabric on the back, but not really a whole lot of breathability. And one of the downfalls on this bag is that there's no sternum strap. I appreciate how wide these straps are, and this pack is actually decently comfortable, just without a lot of adjustability. There's also no stowability on these straps at all, and there's no hip belt. Which is another benefit of minimalistic packs like this. It's so lightweight, you don't even really need a hip belt. However, I think they could improve on this back padding. It's actually decently thick, probably about that thick, full of foam here. However, there's not a lot of breathability. There are a couple of kind of ridges here, but there's really not a lot of air ventilation. This rear pocket of the bag folds down into what the Arkedo calls a tech compartment. It has a big pocket here on the back of the bag. I have a couple of kind of small flat items in here, a couple of pen and pencil pockets, and then this other big mesh zipper. I think this bag really could have benefited, even though it has these 2 top slash pockets, another kind of tech organizer here in the top that lets you utilize some more of this vertical space. I actually love this laptop compartment. It's decently padded and adjustable to hold almost any size laptop. This firm panel here and this back padding offer decent protection. And then this harness keeps your bag away from the bottom, both sides, and the top of the bag. I have a 15-inch Dell here, and you put it in, fold this top panel down. This top Velcro strap adjusts to fit whatever size laptop you have in there. Then fold these side panels down. Now it's super snug in there, and this thing isn't going anywhere. And you don't need to reconfigure this every time you put your laptop in there. You can access it from the top with just this Velcro strap, just slides in and out. The Arkedo opens from the top in this long kind of oval sized zipper that's kind of a signature Arkedo style. You can fit a ton of gear in here, and this little ridge around the front keeps your stuff from sliding out. This bag is kind of rounded, so I have these 2 different size packing cubes. This is a 12 by 14 inch compression cube, and I have another one, it's a 10 by 12. In the top of this thing, you can kind of pack it any way you want. You gotta be a little careful with this bag because it is a little bit floppy, so if you don't pack it all the way, you're gonna have a little bit of flop issues. You don't need to pack your bag up completely with packing cubes. I like them. I went with these 2 bigger ones in the bottom, a couple small ones, toiletry kit, and then a little day pack. Then I threw a puffy jacket here in the top, which really helps keep the bag's shape. This is part of my series on minimalistic travel backpacks. I'll put descriptions to the rest of the bags I reviewed in the description below.